Every good day of wheeling starts with some coffee. The first segment of this day at Windrock was along Trail 22, which is about 6 miles of easy wheeling.
Off-roading!
Hold on, buggies are coming down now.
See that drop on that side. Look at that Jeep right there.
Got Lisa's name all over it.
Holy smokes.
I want a diamond ring, I want some bracelets and everything. Daddy, you better get the best for me. It's not bad.
Yeah, okay.
It's not. It's just roll.
Looks like it used to be bigger. Those rocks means they backfilled it. Like that means it used to be a pretty nasty drop, wasn't it, to fill it in? What a perfect time for a nap. Along the trail, there are a couple rocky creek crossings that you'll come up to. Okay. On this portion of the trail, there is a small rock that's fun to just roll up and over, but was about to cause us some minor problems. Oh my God! Seems like it's always the easy stuff. However, that's a blessing in disguise. If you're gonna blow a U-joint, best to do it on a light trail where exits are available, rather than on a different trail where the day becomes a recovery mission. Lisa, you want me to take the lead?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Without any issue, we were able to get Lisa's Jeep off the trail on its own power and back to camp. Got a replacement axle shaft on order, and got back on the trail after a quick lunch break. As we approached Trail 26, we came across a group that I recognized right off the bat. Gunpowder and their crew who had just finished coming down Trail 26. That was super exciting for me to see someone who I follow on YouTube out on the trails and get to meet them in person. So I stopped to have a little fanboy moment.
Hey, I'm a big fan. I watch you guys' stuff on YouTube. Oh, yeah? Yeah, how's it going? Choking on water. All right, we're gonna go get caught with our guys. It's nice to meet you guys. It's cool to see you.
Around the whole entire park.
Trail 26.
Right away, Trail 26 picks up in difficulty compared to Trail 22. But it's nothing you can't get through. Its difficulty rating is 5. The whole trail comes out just under 18 miles. However, for our trip, we jumped in around the halfway point and did the upper half.
Bye-bye. I love you. Mwah.
There is multiple areas along Trail 26 where you find these rocky hill climbs. Still having fuel pump issues, Beetlejuice stalled out on this hill climb, and we had to pull her up to level ground to get her engine running again.
Go for it. Keep going, keep going. Good, 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 good.
Up gas, give it a little bit of gas. Oh.
After some scenic views along the top side of Trail 26, we descended the access roads back down to camp. We still needed to get Lisa's axle shaft removed, so when the replacement parts came in the morning, we could get everything put back together. get some video of you ripping it.
Oh, when they leave, I need screw. This is not.
Oh, my lens is dirty.
You're being an asshole.
Yeah, I heard. Why y'all picking on Lisa? Where y'all going?
Testing out the noise situation.
You guys just gonna go drive around to make sure that noise ain't still there?
Hold the fucking ride. It doesn't get sand in it.
Hey, I want to have that shit off before we get back.
Shut the heck up.
Stop me there!
Careful about that thing.
See, it goes just that far and then bam. Hammer, do you?
All right, like a metal one, I do.
Okay.
I'll go grab it
Because
for
this
you.
won't. This is not going to budge this at all. Oh, right. Yeah, this can sit up.
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
Oh man.
Look how twisted it is.
Yeah, and it's all bent out too.
Wow. Boy, when you do it well. Wow.
See now.
Oh wait, it's coming. No.
Oh, hey.
Wow. That's some craziness right up in there.
Holy smokes.
The following Thursday.
Is it moving over there?
Drive shaft's turning, yeah. Yeah.
Much better. How about down there?
Yep, let me just bend this little piece right here back a little bit more. Okay, try again. And that looks like it's clearing everywhere to me.
Right.
Try and rotate. We got everything back together without issue and had Lisa's Jeep ready for Trail 16 the following day, which would prove to be a much more challenging trail.